You have created your CSD account and it's still on pending. The last time someone commented on my video that she has created CSD account for almost 1 year and they are still not verify her account. She can't buy MTN shares or trade live on IC what. Okay, me too. I have gone through this before. I created my CSD account last year, August, and my account was still pending 6 good months, and they didn't verify my account until I did this, and then now finally I got verified in just 7 days. Now I can trade live on IC what. Okay, so when I click on trade live, then now I can buy MTN shares. So when I click on MTN shares, yes, have you seen that it has shown that now I can buy my MTN shares? And when you come to liquidity fund also and you click on invest, okay, for here also you can deposit money through MasterCard, airtime, mobile money. Okay, if you want to use mobile money, then you type your amount you want to invest. Okay, when I come to dashboard, okay, have you seen that when they didn't verify your account, you see that it was on pending. Okay, for now my CSD account has got verified. Okay, so when you see on the screen, you will see that now there's no pending on my account. Okay, so now finally I can trade live, I can buy shares on MTN. Okay, and I can deposit money, I can invest anything to do on IC words. I can use my account to do it. Okay, so finally my account is verified. Okay, so I can trade live on IC words. Okay, so if you open on Carbon also, have you seen that it has show under there is that I can buy. Okay, so when I click on buy, now I can buy Cowbank shares. Okay, finally I verified my CSD account. So I'm going to tell you what I did. Okay, so ever since I created my CSD account and it takes so many months and they still not verify my CSD account, what I did was that I think it's last week Thursday and I called their helpline and one woman picked it and I told her that I have created my CSD account for almost 6 months and they did not verify my account. And what she did is that she asked my name, my information that I used it to created my CSD account. And I told her everything. So when she checked through, she told me that, oh, okay, me, I think I have created an account, I have submitted, but when I submitted my information, it came failed, but they didn't send me email that the information that I have provided like has failed. So I think I have created the account, but not knowing the information that I provided, it came failed. So my CSD account did not register, and I am still here waiting for them to verify my account. So she told me that no, when I provide my information, it was failed. So I did. It came that I didn't create CSD account, and I said, "Oh, okay." So what she did is that she take my information again, and she created the account for me. Okay, she created my account. She take my number, my email, and everything, and then she created my CSD account for me. Okay, and she told me that for 1 week I'll hear from them, and and yesterday, yesterday was Thursday, so exactly 1 week, they sent me email that now finally my CSD account got verified on IC what. And when I saw the email, I was like, wow. And I go through my IC what app and log in into, and finally my account has verified. And I was very, very glad. Okay, so if I created CSD account and still on pending, maybe there was a mistake. If even you think that you have submitted your information, maybe it doesn't go through, so make sure to take their helpline, call them. They will talk to you respectfully, calmly, and then you tell them your problem and they will solve it for you. So if I was sitting there waiting, even 5 good years, my CSD account will not going to verify until I call them. Okay, so if you two on this situation, make sure to call their helpline. They will help you, and then if there is a mistake, they will register it, and then exactly 1 week you are going to get verified on your CSD account. You are going to get verified and you can trade live on IC words. Okay, so this is what I did, okay, to get verified in just 7 days. Okay, so finally what you have to do is call their helpline. Okay, so go to the app, take their number, call them and explain to them. They will tell you what is going on, okay, and solve the problem for you. Okay, so this is what I did, and finally I got verified on ICWhat. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it. See you in my next video.